Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. Not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, the day after the parade, actually maybe 2 days after the parade when you see this, I was inspired after being at Crafty Healing Art. I was at her YouTube channel the other day and looking through some of her other pours. I came across a pour that she did with a Sunburst, and she did it doing a Dutch pour. And I thought it was really interesting the way she did that. So it inspired me to try one of my own, going over an old canvas because I just want to try it out first. And if I like it, I'm going to do it on something a little bigger. It really caught my eye. So just going to give it a try here. I had these paints already mixed up. And like I said, this is an old canvas. So let's see how this works out. I will list all my paints down below, as I normally do. That's just a lamp black from Amsterdam. And this is, whoops, I did not want to do that. And this is Liquitex Phthalo Blue. I have that in the middle there. And this is a golden fluid, what is that? Fluid acrylics. And this is benzo, that long name, yellow medium. I will put it in the description so you'll be able to see exactly what that is. And I have an Artist Loft, Artist Loft orange. Sometimes you see a little pink in that sunset. And this is from Arteza. And that's a pink pearl, raspberry. And here's a little red. This is also a golden fluid, pyro red. And I have this mixed up. This is a Bourgogne Burgundy, and this is from Boom Gel. And I'm just going to put that right around there. Just going to move these over, because when we use our blow dryer, we don't want to get paints on any of our stuff here. And now I have my Deco Art Metallics Gold. And I'm going to put that in the middle. I'm going to sprinkle that along in a few other spots, because I like the sparkle that it gives in my paints. And I'm wondering if I should, well, let me just leave that for now. And I'm going to put a little bit of this leftover black that I have from a previous pour. Put that right in the middle there. Help that blow that out. And let's give this a torch. And I hope that's enough paint on there. I think it is. I guess we'll see soon enough. Maybe I should put a little around the edges. gold around the edge. And some of that black around the edge. Okay, let me grab a blow dryer. This one here, this is my Yeehoo. I don't think it blew out like hers did, but it certainly did give an interesting certainly is interesting. Wow. That's one step short of amazing. You know what? I'm not going to even touch this. I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is. I'm not going to even worry about my sides. Let's see if I can. There's not a lot of paint on here. As you can see, a lot didn't blow off. I didn't put a lot to begin with, so there wasn't too much on here. I'm wondering if it'll even sell up in the middle at all. I have no idea what that's gonna do. I'm in awe of what I have, and I'm just going to be happy with what I have here. Really not going to touch any of that. I'm going to take my torch, if I could find it on my desk. Here it is. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it. I'm going to hope that this dries okay. I love how it came. See that? If you can give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. It did not come anything of any way, shape, or form of what it was supposed to come out as. But this is 99.9% better than what I expected. So I'm thrilled. Thank you for coming. Please subscribe. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. And we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for coming. Please be safe out there. Wait for the close-up. Bye-bye now. Just wanted to thank Cindy again from Cynthia Porter Studios for the lovely, lovely day yesterday on the parade. It's still going on, so please visit all the ladies that I put down below. You have a great chance to win a $50 gift card from Michaels. So be sure to visit each one, comment, give them a like, and maybe even subscribe. There's great, great artists out there. Please do your thing. Thank you. Bye-bye now.